say the rota akoswa through public accounts committee for
APA na ye hunu bi no
on pese be pie amagana for bi anya sa menti plus.
Okay. Ajako.
O my mama na sia no pay na menti ya ti for her for no pay.
Na ko fast my brain crop. I tell
you. Honorable Ebenezer Kwaku Ado ne issue no ne ensem na ene speaker nso asum na omuchim so me hwehwe no. I think that this is a great opportunity for parliament say somehow some way on be ready more because they have oversight responsibility say answer krana obi benya concession and ye be grant list their move be say small scale mining and na big mining no. I was say for through parliament no muhwemu no money pano kwan sana wakwakoye because say nipa na ekwakotu ye na say Ghana for nyina ye nyintu mu ya it means say
that's why we have to go
Ghana for nyintu mu nti we a classical example the more say omo ankasa be set record na omo am ye hu so omo those powers say omo ye illegal mining no parliament can call them question them now there was somebody omoye bia na omodi omaye now it's an advantage again say baby MPU ko pie ye ya ho nsem chuka no omotena se so monsan hwemu se saafo na omoye saade no wo hodom na ne kwan so enema hodo na omu yusu e de sa mine ne na se for retrieval of sa good no so na esefata se omu yusu ana se na nsem fata because we article 2681 na se sa nyema nyina be koso wo se fa go through parliament wo se parliament e ma ho kwan answer enu kwan se ye krokro e danda ye ka se oye ye hunipa da bi so ye hunipa na se wantumi ahwepo ne yi a obi foforo okọ na yebeka se bias kakra wum yebeka se interest ewum so it should start from there na things wo wi am report no mu de aba beto abonte ma nyina ya kan ate ase ahunu sampa waye bone onye bone enu nti parpar yobi edadi ewo sa anamontu no mu se enye sa no mu down no na se de yenim se parliament you scratch my back I scratch your back and I say you are my colleague you are my friend no more the cost with sadia we are the fight against Ghana. I'm saying you to me because woman there were these absolute powers. So go to me invite Minerals Commission, or we invite all institutions and we get involved and question them. Sabe yanka baby you cry but then omun to me na say one more nipa amomo an opportunity say omu tu sana mona and no kwan so omu wasting no more the now for semine colleague na asefo e parliament house on I don't think say so oboye na say e betumi aboy na e betumi ama the confidence in us are what e wo mu say ampa they are there to represent us they are there omu e shemra etu anamon in the interest of constituents ahodwa ya elect omu na omu represent no omu ma yenya sa rehemuni ahotoso no e wo omu nti speaker. This is a test case for you and 1276 say mumi ehunu say ampa it goes beyond mo betumi ahwepo mo amunipa mo wie nso a de oso ye involve our say or ye kese no o mehwe say mo amunipa mo de na famra kwan so eti who dares you say wo so bakotu anamo a ensem fata o my mama na say
okay thank you Asante
o my medical me chetifo ni afofo nyina and deliberate.
Yeah.
Now, on my media, and pay honorable Mama Yaragas and Mawaka. No, catch speaker. Thomas Sompa. Say, if you board them or board them
every fear.
Say, honorable speaker, right? Honorable speaker, Alban. Kings Bosman Babi said you were in dear war conference resolution and which he has
yeah
I think mean so wa onwa enye Russian Ukraine war no kwana ehia yin sisia o man enye a northern part of Ghana kwana omomodin for no mama wurwurum na emwo ma sumdwimra because mama yare guy kasa odika apart from say we majority leader na wono aso he been affected by the development, the poor development in that particular area.
Yes.
And he is the right person to call his own speaker Sompa on this matter. Name Wama Asumjimra. On my media, no pay them person make honorable Mubarak Muntaka. Nina some worker on electoral violence, no sa nipa do me no to do back one was say ye nwanya omne ade it is in order omuma and serve as huge deterrent to nipa na edi sanya mbransem say ye nukro whatever aya waso ni saa nipa is it kintampo no fa say south mu firim say omutimi ya saa de we e kire yen say dachi omuso ban osobi su di bone a ntimi anyimpa ban fo bi ba no so ya he justify to do it eno beboa ama mi say amanfo benya rohemu wo ye institution so eno osaka say bi say oman say no these 4 institutions and I say state institutions dana say Ghana Police Service, Ghana Immigration Service, Fire Service na ba ku bi ka is it be bie when say and prison service ya me das and be bie adwuma say from 15th November to 15th December
yes so mo fanipa
ye be fanipa oman je we anu no say so for am
squad e ba go go there I said immigration the omre aye wo nkofo be ko there
oman mabru adwuma sem wasem ne
but enro na me expect say me immigration for issue no to ho ba che dante
say
consensus no and I'm saying media people there were not abreast with it of what is going on, you know. Questions of that here were not asked.
A general problem that has to do with the exception of military.
Yeah, or more allowances for accommodation on the Sunday man. Too much. Almost forever prison service, immigration. I've been trying to reach Honorable Muntaka. Anano krami ma MTK me chief executive card the number mami. Honorable say I have this rapport with you but I don't know. Honorable but only ADB have been me nyano. Because we really need him to come and explain 1 or 2 issues. Any anamon what to.
We no said you and any person see over the years. And now what they have ban.
That is why I said there is something called reset.
And I may kind of say it's opportunity for you as a new minister no
to change the status quo.
Things in order. And the Omanhene need 4 institutions so almost for be 25,000 kra and at
25,000 they have.
Meaning now so mun nyina kra ofa.
Say we come mun nyina boma.
Me say almost for 2020 kra and 15 kra across all these 4 institutions. Government can employ the person 60 to 70,000. I'm a mobile adwuma ye.
The way Oma 5 be 5.
Oma de there be military so mo for 12,000.
Military for 12.
And this Oma ka for 10
and they are can here 10.
Because you na police no ya mu hia mo.
Military for 12.
Yes. As of
12,000 able young men and women.
For better 10-15 years na fi na military yes
mass recruitment no. 12,000.
12,000.
Mabunu.
Yes. So,
ba woni ma de mesre. Omunyi politicians in frame. Yo, onim they are for problems be bre abano. Today, politicians tout themselves in their communities. But the 100 police. As to Omusubani quiet fast, so due diligence, nothing was done. And what Timako Somagum. Abrante be our community, Obu on cry be our car. He shaped, he put it, military say, Ubwa, you will take they will take the civilian and the stupidity out of you. But the others are, what him say, we were you police in it. So, by be order the DHS who police, you know. They don't do due diligence, nothing.
I know miscreants, you know, sometimes because I'm saying crack, I send a chance to operate I got it woman. And it's
national security operative.
But in cafes, national security for power.
The kind those time, MPP for the swa, and you boys be gumu. Uber see, I don't know, could I walk talk to baby. Now,
stay here.
About me, who be that? This a gun and Kwan national security, need microphones or national security. What to be that? National security operative. FBI near Okacha 7 million. I'm FBI ni. Hey, be a KGB ni CIA. Over to know what 20 years. I don't know our ma. Now up information back every war.
Oh my, me this year crown. Oh, another young capture, but on my mama say, Washe. Author General said by 2nd week of December. 13th All African Games now of course so man we
on go with him
I saw the assembly by
13th All African Games no mo ye wa ha no
I don't need 15 million.
I know there I'm fight
13th All African Games no
last year no
last year there no oba penny say by 13th
second week of December
on fa report to me no
as a mercy
one the boss anyom no kwaku free pound the assembeba
hey
or the assembeba or the assembeba
the 4.5 million.
hey I want my baby invite you
There be some.
now it is a public
The $4.5 million a printed ID card media accreditation to media Vocum 4.5 million dollars.
now allegedly the other aduane no so
hey oh my
na
penny
Jubilee penny be yire
Yes.
oh be say aduane dia ma
kwaku free pound the assembeba
13 All African Games
ebeye there from 2nd December Ghana will be sweet. Now me ade ba kwa mani age MPP achitafo no maburu no say koyi wa no wa human
wa
omaya de MPP maburu no na NDC fo nsunsia say dabi so mu free abem no mu hu nipa bi kodi gwasiase ma mo nkogu o say o mo ko protect say nipa no mani age o
Uncle dia.
at me no
13
because enema bebre ho no ma sa boy na ono no te ni ma ho na o support MPP no oba office crowd pamo no na ho aba asem a ono nko se t-shirt na on fa placard na oni adwuma e da bi this time around so why ye frɛ wa akɔ yoko nko abekɔ CID nko abekɔ nobody will follow you who do sika man be di
by amadia na politicians
asafo na ye aduane na guy baako o ma ye aduane na boy no betwa o man fi no eno ono so nya na aduane afi boy no buy no jack ma mini boss nya mo ma me
no contribution.
oh ma fi no gra akwani dia wa mo na we o si di no e baako ne de wo nya banku ama no wonya homo ama no ono anya ne mo anwa mo na sadi gusu a ono ne sabetu no aso wonya amo ma me
Nesradi gusuru bedibi.
Ade
Nesradi.
Ade wa semni. Sesi a wonko a wudu sika wonko abekọ.
But ade ba ko ya mo.
Me de.
Omo ye ni se. Imputi ase bo se uye bi ya invite to bo se na manfo di wachi.
Dabi o. On say. The moment I chew for front. Obedi say wuntumi kwa na mo treat no na nye. So people out of humanitarian and human beings ekoi. Now court I charge no
They drone there.
enti eno na me pese maburu ni sua se ye chiri pa for fine in solidarity but court the kwadu nya bono a munya no ni ne kongina sam
Akota ba bi adro na eye woni nyame nkro wo se efuru no ye maso no pa ye de ofa enu be kro ye nu be kro ye be se ye no ye so ofa ni nyame nkro
ma bi e nu be kro ma bi e nu be kro
ma bi e nu be kro ni apama o na ewia no ewia no
ya to ma ye de ni si adaka
ye no ben ayi adaka me no ofa ni nyame nkro ofa ni nyame nkro be bi adro no akoda omo de be bi o ma
Champions League matches we ba cho Bayern Munich win here
yes
oh yeah bobo pa
yes
hey omo form
yes
omo form na boy na waje red card na me ya Luis Diaz
yes
excellent player excellent player me I cannot understand why and slot ube yi akwa we no akwasesa ayi saka nom ne tiki ni dina se keteke
akote bi se e fe de tikere nkere na wo ti